Hello and welcome to another short drawing lesson. This week we're going to draw the Hot Wheels Python, one of the original cars from the 1960s. So the first thing we'll do is a front wheel over here. I'm being brave and using a felt pen, which is a good thing if you find yourself getting a bit fussy with a pencil or something. We're going to use this width of the front wheel as a unit of measurement. So however big your front wheel is, measure 1, 2.5 more of those, and then draw a back wheel which is much bigger. Something like that. Next we need a nice straight line that cuts through that front wheel and then skims the top of the back wheel about there. Another one which just skims the top of the front wheel, runs parallel to that one. And a smaller one that also runs parallel to it, just beneath there. We'll use this line as to work out our overhang. So if your wheel, however big your wheel is, measure one of those, take a bit off and make a point. That's going to be the tip of your nose, and you can bring that down in a curve. At the back, we just need a kind of sloping, curving thing, a bit steeper at the back there. Next, we need a line that starts at the nose here. It has a bit of a curving start to make a nice point. Runs parallel for a bit. Once you get past the front wheel, drop down, go along. Before you get to that second wheel mark, it steps back up again and then becomes a little tail at the back there. For wheel arches at the back, we've got a fairly steep straightish line here just in front of the back wheel, which has a gentle curve running into that line there. At the front we've got a fairly standard sort of curving front wheel arch. Let's turn your page if you want to get an easier line, and then it extends back a bit. For the pillars, for the windscreen, just before this one wheel mark, you want to come up to the top here and have quite a sloping pair of lines there for the front windscreen pillar. For the back pillar, that has the same angle as this one here, but it's forward a bit and then up to the top here, obviously. And then your roof has the same slope as the rest of the car here. And actually, the thickness gets bigger as it gets further back. We need to add some thickness to this pillar here, which has a little step in it. Our windscreen is very flat, but you can see the bottom edge of it just down there. And that's our basic outline. So now we can put the ground in and start to make it look nice, hopefully. So we just need to add the floor in there. It's good if you've got a little step, it just makes it more interesting than just a continuous line. And now I'm darkening the undersides of anything. We'll also show the wheels on the far side, front and back, which will help give it a bit more of a three-dimensional feel. And I'm going to shade in the wheel arches with nice vertical hatching. So it'd be very dark in there. Same with that wheel on the far side. All of this. And that will tell us that these are overhangs. So anything that's the underside you can darken a bit, make a bit bolder. In the top part here we've got a seat, which again is in shadow. Maybe a steering wheel, that would be good, and some kind of console. You would see the pillars on the far side and up into the roof. So those can be dark. On the side of the back there, a rear window. I'm going to borrow a couple of little bits from the real car. Like there's a nice shut line for the doors here and there, which isn't in the toy, but I think it adds a bit of interest to that side. And of course, the thing that the toy has that the real one doesn't have is an engine sticking out just a bit ahead of the front wheel and a bit behind the front wheel too. Like a loaf of bread type thing with some struts on. And then a little air intake on top. And the wheels need a little bit of interest as well. You don't want to draw every little part of the wheel. It's kind of a thing of trying to balance how much detail is in the rest of your sketch with how much detail you add to things like the wheels or other bits that could end up very complicated. And there we have it. There's your Hot Wheels Python. Hope yours turned out okay. Let me know in the comments how you did and if there's anything you'd like me to try next. Otherwise, like and subscribe. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you for another one soon.